morning, guys. Happy Vlogtober Day 7. I'm like getting all confused by my days. Woo, the lighting in here. So I'm getting ready to straighten my hair. This is second day hair, and I feel like it kind of looks terrible, but we're gonna roll with it. I'm gonna straighten it. I'm gonna take Dixie out. I'm gonna make my bed, make my breakfast. I woke up so hungry this morning. I hate mornings where you like wake up and you're starving. That's my life today. So I'm gonna make some breakfast, my morning cup of tea, and then I'm going to upload yesterday's vlog. I actually got it edited last night, so I'm gonna get that up, and yeah, I'm gonna get going for the day. You can tell my sinuses are, you know, messed up today. I think it's the change in the weather. It's the really hot and then really cold mess going on. So on Friday it was 90. Saturday it was 60. I think today it's supposed to be in the 70s. I don't know, but it's killing me. So anyway, I'm gonna get ready. I just want to pop on and say good morning. Good morning, Dixie. Good morning. Good morning, beautiful. You're the most beautiful girl in the whole wide world. Do you want to go outside? You want to go on a walk? Let's go. Okay, so I think I finished designing everything for $2 Tuesday. I think. I have that done. I put up the video from yesterday, and let's see. I made a to-do list for myself. Hang on. On my to-do list, I have upload my vlog, finish $2 Tuesday, design some other stickers, do the $2 Tuesday photos, the listings, edit a clean with me video, edit and upload my plan with me, and then also clean because my apartment is a disaster. I also want to upload the clean with me that I edit, so I need to do that also. But I've accomplished a couple things. I've done the vlog, I've finished designing $2 Tuesday, and I ordered the mailers. So it's a great start, and it's only 10:40. I'm trying to plan out my week in my Happy Planner. You guys know I talked about this the other day, that I really, sorry that my vitamins are just like chilling. I'm telling you what, guys, like my office is a disaster. But I told you guys last week I was trying to get into planning in my Happy Planner again. I really like my Erin Condren, but I like that you can like add different inserts in your Happy Planner. So I'm really torn because I'm not, I don't know, like I'm not the biggest fan of the Happy Planner, but at the same time, like I want to be. I don't know. If you guys use the Happy Planner, let me know like your tips. I know I've seen a lot of people like Franken-plan where they add like different planners into like one planner, and I really, really like that, but I don't know. There's something like I just can't, I can't stay in my Happy Planner consistently, but I can with my Erin Condren. I don't know what my problem is, you guys, but I am trying to plan in this. I'm obviously going to plan in my Erin Condren, but I'm doing a collab video, and so I want to like film it later this week when I actually know what my plans are, and like this kind of fill out day by day maybe. I don't know. Is that crazy? Is it crazy to have 2 planners that you use stickers in? Well, actually I have 3 because I use my print impression weeks. I have not used my Hobo weeks in forever, you guys. I fell off the wagon with that one when my print impression came, but I don't know. Too many planners, and like you have the fear of missing out, and so you just buy all the planners, but then you can't use all the planners because, let's face it, does anyone actually have that much on their plate that they have to have like 10 different planners? I mean, what do you put in them? Like, I don't understand. Let me know how many planners you have. That's a good question. How many planners do you actively plan in? That's what I want to know. Okay guys, update time. I have crossed off quite a few things on my to-do list so far today. So I finished the $2 Tuesday designs and I just did the photos. I showed you guys that. So now I think I'm gonna save the $2 Tuesday listings for tonight, because when I list them, I'm just gonna put them live at the same time. So I think I'll do that tonight during James's like YouTube show, his live show. He's doing like a new thing now. So instead of the podcast, they've like switched it to a live show on YouTube. So I think I'll do this while they're doing that. And then I think I'm gonna edit and upload these real quick and then maybe clean and spend the rest of the day designing. I think that might be what I do. Yeah, so that way I can knock out a few more things on my list. I'm pretty excited with everything that I've accomplished so far today, and I'm just really excited to be back to my sticker life, because it's been a while, but it's also been like kind of hard to get back in the routine today. So you guys know what I hate? I hate it whenever you take a break to eat lunch and you eat lunch and then you're like, man, I'm really tired. Like, I don't know why, but every time I like stop and take a break and eat lunch, I'm like, man, I could use a nap. But yeah, now I'm gonna edit my plan with me and get that up for you guys. Man, I'm like really sleepy right now. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna do that. I need to get my microphone because I'm gonna do a voiceover for this plan with me, because I didn't record, like I didn't say anything during the plan with me because I was like, I'm gonna do a voiceover, and now I'm like, man, I kind of wish I didn't have to deal with the voiceover right now, but that's okay. I'm gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done and cross it off our list. Okay guys, so I finished editing the video, the plan with me, and it's rendering right now, and I'm going to do the thumbnail and get that up. But I got to enjoy a 30-minute FaceTime session with my mom, my sister, and my grandma. It was like a three-way FaceTime thing, because I had texted my grandma asking if her back was okay, because her back was really hurting and she went to the chiropractor, and I just wanted to make sure she was feeling better. So she did that this morning, and so I waited a couple hours to like see if her medicine had kicked in and like she was feeling better, and she didn't text me back. But then like 2 minutes later, my sister was like doing a group FaceTime, and I saw that like my grandma was on the group FaceTime, so she was just on FaceTime with my mom and my sister, and that's why she didn't answer. And so I got to FaceTime and chat with them, which was really awesome. And yeah, and now I'm just getting back to working again. I mean, I was kind of working while I was talking to them, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna make the thumbnail real quick. Thankfully, the Plan With Me thumbnails are pretty easy to make and don't take a lot of thought or a lot of time. Why is my watch going off? Oh, because James is texting me. So I'm gonna do the thumbnail real quick. I'm gonna get this video up, and then after that I'm going to clean my office because it really needs to be clean. I don't want to, I really don't want to, but I know that I will feel so much better if I get it picked up, and I'll just feel more productive, and that's really what I want. decided that I'm going to respond to comments and check my email and do the $2 Tuesday listings and try to get all of that done in the next hour. And then after that, I'll clean the apartment because it's not going to take that long. And James is trying to get off at 5:30, so that gives me 2 hours to get everything done. And I don't know, I kind of feel like maybe I just want to like chill tonight, finish reading my book, take a bath, just like, you know, do all those things. So I want to make sure that I get all these things done. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things left on my to-do list, which 2 of those things are basically one and combined. And no, 1, 2, 3, yeah. So I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get all the comments replied to. I have 1 email that I need to reply to, and I'm gonna get the $2 Tuesdays done. So wish me luck. Here we go. I'm gonna get it all done. Hey guys, it is, I don't know what time it is. Hang on. It's like after 8. 8:37. It's way after 8. And I just got out of a bath. I finished my book finally. You guys know I've been talking about it. I've been reading that book for 3 months. I kid you not. I finally finished it. It's just because I don't take the time to sit down and read. But I finished it, and I'm going to start a new book tomorrow. So I'll show you guys that tomorrow. And now I have my iPad. And I think I'm either going to draw because I want to finish the New Year's clip art that I was working on so I can get a kit up for you guys, or I want to watch a couple episodes of Mom. I don't know. James is currently like doing his live show podcast thing, so I think that might be what I do. I might watch Mom, I might watch YouTube, I might draw, I might do it all, to be honest. I might watch something from my phone and then draw on my iPad, maybe. So anyway, that's what I'm up to right now. I'm just chilling. I have my candle going over there, just relaxing. Okay guys, so it's a little while later. Just been chilling, and James is done with his YouTube show, so now we're gonna put on a movie and go to bed. But I wanted to end the vlog here. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to click the subscribe button if you guys want to see more behind the scenes of having a sticker shop, my life, all that stuff. Make sure that you click subscribe and hit the bell notification if you want to be notified right when I upload. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.